Mac and cheese, a main course, and now it's time for dessert. At the Pressed Penny Tavern in Westport, they're not just pouring red with dessert, it's also in one of the cakes. So here at Pressed Penny Tavern, they also like to have a sense of humor. Behind me you can see a pay it forward board, and that means you can actually buy a drink for your friend who's coming later. And today when Tim walked in, there was a drink waiting for him as the next chef on duty. Well, that's going to transition to our next area of Restaurant Week, and that's the cake, because this was actually soaked in wine. So can you talk about why you made that choice?
Sure. So it's chocolate. Chocolate and port goes together. Chocolate and cherries go together. Cherry and port goes together. Let's just put it all together.
And who doesn't love a chocolate cake? But why did you use the port wine?
I like the balance. The cake itself is actually vegan. None of my desserts are overtly sweet, so I needed something to kind of help round it out with the cherries, and we threw some cinnamon in there just because. So yeah, that's why we used the port.
Okay, not only are they thrown in there, but they also make a beautiful garnishment. Let's talk about how you decorated this.
Sure. So I did what's called a crumb coat on the cake when you frost it, and then I just smeared it on there with a spatula. And then I went old school, used a piece of parchment paper, made a funnel, and just piped the top.
Oh, looks so beautiful. Okay, and you're not done because you're gonna decorate these plates as well.
Yes.
Okay, he goes start to finish, all out.
Yeah.
So what do you have here?
This is the syrup that we used as the soak in the cake.
Okay.
So this is port wine and tart cherries just reduced down until it's like super thick. So we're just gonna be we'll probably go like that.
And see me, because I'm not an executive chef, I wouldn't normally think of port wine as sweet, but maybe with the mixture of the cherries it really soaks in?
Sure, and like when you reduce a lot of things that are acidic, like balsamic vinegar, for example, if you get that into a syrup, it tastes like chocolate.
Oh, wow.
Yep, you just gotta cook it down.
Okay, so what comes next?
Now we're gonna cut this guy.
Now we're gonna cut the cake.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks so delicious.
Right?
That's pretty perfect. Perfect at the Pressed Penny Tavern. I ate that piece start to finish, and it was one of the best chocolate cakes ever. Restaurant Week again starts today and runs through the 20th. It's your chance to get multi-course meals for lunch for $15. I'm going today. And for dinner, it's $33.